Hi, I'm Ciliann. Welcome to my art channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make an easy step-by-step painting of bananas. Enjoy! Let's go bananas! Take some cad yellow, some green hues if you'd like, and place your banana shapes. Half moon, quarter moon. Leave the upper neck part skinny with and as you go down, widen gradually. And then you get the slope and you end up with a tip. The tip you can color greenish, black. And add some marks here and there. Make the stem a little black. And we'll add more tower bunch. These bananas are not so ripe, so they have some green color in them. Sap green mixed into the yellow. And make some shadow shaded parts by adding a touch of brown. And the bunch of bananas connects at the top, sort of side by side. Each stem next to the other. And here we get a banana that's facing more in the front direction. So we'll give it some brighter color. We'll add some white for some highlight. And blend in a little bit. Now we'll open up one of these bananas and look inside. So for that, we'll take more white to lighten the yellow color, since the inside of the banana has a more whitish tinge. And it's sitting behind the bunch and leaning out towards our direction, so let's put the peels hanging over. And the inside of the peel is lighter than the outside. So we'll keep our yellow somewhat lighter in color. And there we have one peel turned away from us towards the back. I want to show that the banana that the peels are bent, so I want to add a little darker color on the peels, just to show the bend. And our bananas have grown old. They've grown older and wiser. So now we'll make some spotty bananas. And for this we will not use green. We'll just use straight yellow, because very ripe bananas lose the green color and they are bright yellow. So once again, we'll make our quarter moon shape. And then we'll do again 3 in a bunch, side by side, with the stems connecting. Once again with straight yellow. No green added. And we'll put one there in the back. And these bananas, they'll get colored with some Van Dyke brown at the edges, and we'll give them a lot of spots. The stem needs to be darker. As the banana gets older, the stem dries out more and turns darker blackish brown. And it gets a little bit dehydrated, so it's thinner than the stem of an unripe banana. So just take a touch of brown onto the brush and put in brown markings here and there. Use it as well to show the shape of the banana, the edges. And the bottom. Now with the bananas that are further away, make a little bit darker, and the ones closer, leave a little bit lighter. Add some dark color around the edges, underneath, since that part is obviously in the shadow. And here they're all connected with black stems, and now they need to get their overripe makeup. So we'll continue to add more brown to show the shape and the shadow, the contours. And take a brush with a small point and take a lot of dark brown and load it up so that it will fall easily onto the bananas in a good sprinkle, and give the banana some freckles. Give them out a little bit randomly, but mostly centered, less towards the top and bottom. And these spots are not always exactly separate from each other. Often they're sort of blending into each other, not so distinct. So just give a good sprinkle of brown dots all over your bananas. Some lighter, some darker, some bigger, some smaller. These are the best bananas for baking with, when they look like this. Just keep on adding those dots as ripe as you want your bananas. and then don't by mistake open up one to enjoy. Sorry, you're gonna have to buy some real ones. There we go. Looks about ready. Touch up the edges in case anything got smudged out. And here are all your bananas, young and old, open and closed.